Do you think expensive skincare works better than a budget alternative? You're wasting your money. Stop draining your bank account with luxury skincare. The science proves you don't need to. You're paying for fancy glass jars, gold tops and perfume. Here are 5 high-end skincare products and the exact budget alternatives that use the same powerhouse ingredients for a fraction of the cost. A subscriber asked for this breakdown after my makeup video, which looked into the actual costs of luxury makeup. This is the skincare alternative. Comparing skincare to makeup is actually quite hard to do. With makeup, it either looks great immediately, you like the colour, you don't like the colour. With skincare, it's much more long term. With skin cells, it takes time and consistency to get any kind of result. So I thought it was only fair that I tested these myself for about the last 2 months. I'm not wearing any makeup apart from a little bit of mascara and some lip balm, and this is the result. And I've been using these products. Are these exact clinical clones? No. Skincare formulation is way more complex than just copy-pasting ingredients. But are they functional dupes? Absolutely. These affordable alternatives use exactly the same pathways into your skin to deliver the same results as their £100 counterparts. Science shows that affordable skincare is often as effective as high-end alternatives because low-cost brands don't use fancy packaging, they don't use perfumes or celebrity ads. Cheap and expensive creams use the same retinol, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I've been using this Embryolisse cream concentrate. It compares really well with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. One is $20 and the other one is $79. This is the Embryolisse, and you can see it's rich and thick and creamy. I just want to say, I do have dry skin, and that's the only skin I've got to test these on. So if you have oily or normal skin, I think you can safely assume that these products and these brands that I'm going to outline today that work for my dry skin, the equivalent products for your skin should work just as well. I tend to wear this at night. It's a little bit too heavy to wear under makeup, but a product that works really well under makeup is coming up. Both the Charlotte Tilbury and the Embryolisse deliver the same exact plump, ultra dewy, non-greasy baseline that smooths skin. Embryolisse gives you that iconic French glow. It's a French brand. I should put it on my face actually, shouldn't I? Also, an extra tip, if you have dry hair like I do, once you have put it on your face and you've got a tiny bit left on your hands, run it through your hair. It just jollies up the ends. Next, the Drunk Elephant Protini cream, which retails at £61. My alternative is the Naturium Multi-Peptide Moisturizer, and this is £21. You just need one pump, that size. You buy peptide creams to stimulate collagen and target fine lines. Naturium matches Drunk Elephant's firming power by loading their formula with a dense clinical matrix of active signal peptides. Big price difference, £40. If you're looking for that ultra glossy glazed donut skin, then Byoma and the Rhode Peptide Glazing Milk have a £20 difference and almost the same ingredients. The packaging, a little bit plasticky, yeah, but you're not wearing the packaging, you're wearing what's inside. Byoma uses an identical milky texture packed with ceramides and lipids to repair your skin barrier without charging the celebrity premium. I often use the Byoma instead of the Rhode to mix with my foundation to give me an extra glossy finish if that's what I'm looking for. Next up, medicube. I love this stuff. For my dry skin, it's fantastic. It's rich, it's creamy, and it gives the Embryolisse Pro Collagen Marine Cream a real run for its money. The Embryolisse is £95 and this is 26. Embryolisse relies on marine algae for surface hydration. Medicube targets deep issue bounce by infusing 3 distinct types of hydrolyzed collagen and elastin directly into the formula to lift sagging skin. It takes time, it's not going to happen overnight. Highly recommend. If you're looking for an instant lift alternative, a face mask is the way to go. And I've been using this cosrx Peptide Collagen Lifting Glow Hydrogel Mask. And it gives the 111 Skin Celestial a run for its money. This costs £4 and the 111 will be £25. And the top 3 ingredients are exactly the same: water, glycerin and niacinamide. Don't pay a premium for one-use luxury skin masks. This is saturated in 6 multi-peptides and low molecular collagen, which means the product will sink into your skin, not sit on top. It physically turns transparent once the products melt into your skin. That's how you know you're cooked. Can you guess which one of these affordable skincare products is a great alternative to what is probably the most famous skincare product in the world and one of the most expensive? Let me show you. The entire selling point of Augustina Spada is their patented TFC8 formula, and I used this for a month. I'm holding it carefully because I have taken out the insides, and the insides look like this. That's all it is. This is after a month's use. There's a little bit left. I should put it on my face really, shouldn't I? But honestly, I did not notice any difference in my skin. TFC8 is just a fancy marketing trademark for the ingredients that are in any skin cream. It's a specific blend of peptides, amino acids, vitamins and squalene. What's the alternative? Let me take you back to the Naturium Multi-Peptide Moisturizer. Yep, £21 buys you an affordable alternative to this. It doesn't look so fancy like this, does it? If you break down the actual formula, it relies on the same blueprint: signal peptides, squalene, amino acids, vitamin C and vitamin E. I read that some beauty editors ran an 8-week experiment comparing the two, and they claimed that the Naturium left their skin plumper, softer, more glowy than this £200 luxury cream. And in a clinical trial, 100% of the subjects said that their fine lines disappeared using this. Your skin cells don't have eyes. They don't know whether a cream has come from a clinical tube or a velvet luxury box. So ditch the luxury and save your money. Your skin cells react to active chemical compounds, not a fancy label on a fancy box. So I hope you've enjoyed this and I hope you've learnt something. And please let me know if you have any amazing affordable skincare alternatives. Do subscribe if you haven't already. I upload at least once a week and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.